Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator for drum brakes. It has a 1000 psi output pressure. Now the application for this is work on single, tandem, or triple axle trailers up to 7,000 pounds with drum brakes. As we mentioned, the maximum output pressure is 1000 psi and the power it uses is 12 volt DC. Now this electric over hydraulic brake actuator is going to activate your trailer's hydraulic brakes when you apply the brakes in your tow vehicle. Now a brake controller is required to send the signal from the tow vehicle to the actuator when your brakes are applied. That brake controller we do sell separately on our website. Also a 7-way trailer connector is needed to transmit the signal from the brake controller. If you already have a trailer 7-way you can use, we do also sell 7-way trailer connectors separately on our website. Now this is going to give you improved functionality when compared with surge brake couplers. It's going to give you a faster response time. Your trailer brakes are triggered when you apply the brakes in your tow vehicle as opposed to when the trailer pushes against the hitch ball. Also, there's no need to manually lock out your brakes when you back up. The trailer brake can be intentionally activated when you reverse. And it does offer a manual override on the brake controller that can be activated so you can engage the trailer brakes without having to apply your vehicle's brakes. Now this does use an electronic proportional pressure valve to ensure that the braking is smooth and effective. Right over here we have a vented end plate which will release pressure, moisture, and heat in order to protect the internal components. This will allow the actuator to be mounted in places where most actuators would overheat. Right up the top here, you can see a built-in bleeder screw that'll let you easily flush air out of your brake lines. This is a durable extruded aluminum, provides corrosion resistance. It is compatible with any standard 5 amp hour battery breakaway kit. We do sell those separately. This is DOT, Department of Transportation compliant, and this will install on your trailer frame and connects to your trailer's wiring and the hydraulic brake lines, which are all sold separately. Now to install this, the mounting hardware is not included. You would have to supply that. Back here where your brake line connects, it is take off this red cap, and you'll have a 3/16" inverted flare fitting for your brake line to attach to. And the wire configuration right over here, you got 4 different color wires. The black wire is 12 volt power, the blue is brake controller, yellow is your breakaway, and then white is for the ground. And the last thing is the measurements on this. We're going to measure length, including the mounting tabs. So from here to here, it's going to be 11 3/4 inches long. The width at the widest point is right up here, 3 inches wide. And the height from the bottom to the tallest point, which is the cap here, is going to be right at 7 3/8 inches tall. But that's going to do it for a look at this Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator for drum brakes.